Damage can cost homeowners a bundle. Will flood insurance cover repairs and losses? Consumer reporter John Metairie shows an inexpensive way to help protect yourself in his Don't Waste Your Money report.
Recent spring storms have homeowners across the country cleaning up from flooding. But just as bad as the damage is the realization that your insurance may not cover it. How has this past week been for you?
Exhausting, draining, devastating.
Brianna Del Moral is trying to come to terms with what happened here at her rental home. Floodwaters came up 3 feet, soaking carpeting, drywall, and almost all her belongings.
My bed, my mattress, I lost my nightstand, my chair, my bookshelf, my books.
Her landlord, Jim Hudson, says it's going to be a long road to recovery.
Got dryers everywhere, huh?
Yeah,
It'll be a while before the AC is back on. Typically, anything that was hit by the water will have to be thrown out, costing thousands and thousands of dollars, and a lot of that will not be covered by insurance.
I don't think I'm getting any help.
So Jim has gone to the local sewer district for help, as he believes it was a public storm drain that backed up.
We dropped in on them last week and got to talk to a couple of people.
The sewer department tells us if an investigation determines a storm drain was responsible, they will help. But if it was just runoff from the nearby hill, it's out of their hands. So what can you do to prevent a situation like this? If you're in a low spot, look into flood insurance. Too expensive? Ask your insurance company about drain backup coverage. Brianna and Jim say with no flood insurance, their homeowners and renters policies are only covering incidentals.
And that'll have to be replaced. And this is like a $7,000 unit.
Can't afford flood insurance? At least get drain backup insurance. It's a simple add-on to most homeowners' policies, and that way you don't waste your money. I'm John Metairie, ABC 27 News.